Hello everybody, this is Marcus Armstrong signing in, bringing you today a tour for Windows 8.1. I don't know, is it bad? Is it good? Let's check it out. Okay, here it is, Windows 8.1 by Microsoft. This was an operating system mainly made for tablets and phones. They do have a Windows phone and all, but yeah, this is the Windows 8.1 desktop computer. Yes, this is called the Metro UI Start Screen. Windows 8.1, it boots up into this first. These little boxes and squares, they're called live tiles. You could move them around. You could resize them, small, big, and however depending on its choice. You could just resize them. You could search by clicking the research button up here. It can search anywhere, like for example, Internet Explorer. And there you go. It'll pop up right there, and a plus of other options. And also you can just start typing it in. It'll search as well. Over here, this is even more apps, and me, I personalize the start screen. Not exactly fully yet, but there you go. If you're looking for all apps like the regular start screen, like menu, excuse me, you just click this arrow down below, right here. You have it. These are all the apps. I've arranged them by category, but if you date installed, it'll look something like this. For me, let me just put it back the way how it is, category. Okay, there you have. This is the Windows start screen. Next, this is if you're wondering where is the desktop from Windows 7 / Windows Classic, Windows 95, they're all there. You just see right here, desktop is right here, people. If you couldn't find it, just go here. You can either just type desktop in, and there it is right there, and then it'll send you back to your desktop, and you can see the theme for it. It looks pretty nice. It's not really that bad. It's not bad. No, we have new things. You see Windows Explorer icon, it still looks the same like Windows 7. There's a new thing for Windows Explorer, which is called File Explorer in Windows 8 now. As you see, this is Windows 8.1 Pro build 9600, excuse me. It's currently not activated. I'm gonna keep this task manager open for just in case any technical difficulties. And if you click the start button right here, it brings you back to the start screen, which a lot of people did not like. Me, I personally kind of do like it. So at the end of the video, I will make a comment for the video. Yes, that's that. Okay, now let's move on with the program. Yes, okay. I'm gonna make me some tasks. This one, the pre-one, that's Metro UI arrangement and explanation. That was already done. That's my intro. And if you wonder what I'm getting these tasks from, it's from OS First Time. And make sure you subscribe. And if you don't know where is he, I'll just put a link in the description below. My first task. What time is it? 2:42 p.m. February 13, 2015, Friday. Yes, that was a really quick one. You could change the time by just going right clicking, adjust time and settings. There's many ways you could check the time. You can either go up in this corner or this corner. But I'm gonna go in this corner, and you just click. Then you just move your arrow, the cursor down, and then there you go. Your timer is right there. It's gonna disappear, whatever. Okay, that was our time. Task 2: create, save, and open a text document. I personally like WordPad, but I pinned it to this taskbar down here, this bar down here. If you couldn't find it, all you can do is go to all apps, Then you go and find WordPad over here. Now, where's WordPad? WordPad. There it is. It's under Windows accessories. If you're arranged it by category, you click WordPad, and here's our text maker, editor, whatever you want to call it. Just maximize that. Now, here it is. Let's name it Windows 8.1 Tour. Now for saving file, just like the file thing is the same as Windows 7. File save as, and then we can just name it. I'm gonna keep it document, and under here is under this PC. That sounds very funny for some reason. I'm gonna save it on the documents folder and click save. And it's a rich text document. Now we need to open the text document. Okay, I believe I saved them in this PC, yeah. Documents, and there we have it, document right there. Windows 8.1 tour. And that was that test right there. Okay, moving on to the next tabs. Calculate 4 times 4. Well, there's 2 calculators in here in Windows 8. Because, you know, it's mainly made for tablets and phones, whatever. If you couldn't find a calculator, you just go down here. You can either just search it up or just literally find it. Calculator is mainly over here somewhere. Well, if you can find it, you just type in calculator. There's 2. There's one for the tablet and there's one for the desktop. This is the desktop one. No, the whatever one. But for some reason this doesn't work, so I'm gonna use the desktop version of it. So I'm gonna go back to start screen. Getting used to that start menu stuff. Calculator. There's that calculator. Calculator. I'm gonna use the desktop version of it. Now calculate 4 times 4. 4 times 4. It looks like Windows 7, just like Windows 7. That looks way too much like Windows 7. I guess Microsoft was a little lazy on that one. And 4 times 4 equals 16. Even I know that personally. There we go. End of task 3. Now personalize this PC. This PC sounds really funny. I'm assuming to right click, personalize. And then these are all the Windows default themes, your themes. This is unsaved, whatever that is. I'm going to change the theme. As you can see, the taskbar and border have changed, so as the desktop background. Now I'm going to change it back to lines and colors so that look better. And if you want to move on to the next one, you just click right click, then next desktop, that one. Okay, moving on to the next task. Hope I'm not moving too quickly. Play games on PC. Well, there is no games installed in it, so this is what I've done. I have installed some games in my USB drive, and let's just play them and see how it works on a what you call it, this Windows 8 operating system. CNES, let's run it. Now let's load game. And here we have it. Here's the game right here. There's no sound because I disabled it. There we go. And we just play games on there. And there was that task, people. Next task. Good programs and apps. Good programs and apps. Some programs that I can use like without installing any other extra apps. Like for example, WordPad. Of course, I like WordPad because it's really useful. You could create, save, and open text documents. I could make scripts, code, whatever. Notepad itself, you could like make little operating systems and all, you know, command prompt thingies. Another one, Windows, well, File Explorer. Now, since this is Windows 8.1, modern operating system, there you go. That's Windows Explorer. And let's see, another one, the command prompt. It comes really in handy. Like, if you want to view all your files that way, you could just type that in. You could change the color of the command prompt. Just do that code stuff. I pressed it wrong, but whatever. Well, that's that. Another one is the control panel. That really does come in handy whenever you want to mess with your settings and all. And for Windows 8, this PC settings thing, that's a good one as well. But I don't need that, so let's leave that alone. Next task. Negative things about Windows 8.1. There's not really a lot of things because Windows 8.1 is not really a bad operating system. Well, besides when you're running UI apps, yes, when you run UI apps, they always start in full screen no matter what. That sucks, and I don't like that. Moving on to the next task. Positive things for Windows 8, pretty much 9 out of 10. Yeah, a lot of things about Windows 8.1 I would actually use. I would use this as my default operating system. But right now, I'm using Windows 7. This operating system I'm using now is currently Windows 8.1. But the operating system I mainly use, Windows 7. Enterprise. But I am planning on getting an update for that and just leave Windows 7 because I remember I switched to Windows 7 because I don't know why in 8th grade I used to hate Windows 7. I don't know what reason, and I never noticing Windows 7 had a lot of things in modern looks. I don't know what was wrong with me in the past. Whatever, this is modern day time. Next task 9, Snap Tools. Snap Tools, it's the same as Windows 7, excuse me. It's you just like drag the window to the side. You can just drag the window to the side. I don't need this. Well, yeah, you just do that. Another thing, same if you like resize it all, it'll just do that as well. Just like Windows 7, there's mainly no little change in there besides just its theme itself. And now last, I'm close this test document because we're almost at the end of this tour for Windows 8.1. And let's close it. No need, well, I guess we could save it. Yeah, this was Windows 8.1. Windows 8.1 is not a bad operating system. Yeah, that's Windows 8.1. So there you have it, my Windows 8.1 tour. It's a really good operating system. I would totally use it as my default operating system. It's not bad at all. I really don't know what the fans are talking about, but I do agree with them with the start menu thing. That is a no. But other than that, I like the start screen. I like both of them, and is a combination in Windows 10. Well, this is about Windows 8.1 right now. Yes. That was my tour. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you want, I'm not using the script right now, but whatever about that. Just make sure you subscribe, okay? If you want to make me another video, whatever, just subscribe. And this is Remarkable Giant. I'm signing out.